guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naturally Tilly. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and comment on this video because we've got a good one today, y'all. Okay, so of course, if you're a small YouTuber or just starting out, you want to know how to grow your channel fast. Okay, I get it. I definitely get it. I was the same exact way. Of course, I know you see by now that it's not as easy as it seems. You do have to I can't get the freaking word out. Strategically do things when it comes to growing your channel. So I just wanted to come to you guys today and give you some quick tips that'll help you gain 100 subscribers in a week, tops, fast. Okay, so if you're ready, stay tuned. All right, guys, so tip number 1, go ahead and have your channel layout together. And when I say channel layout, I mean everything, like literally your banner, your name, what your channel is going to be about. Go ahead and have those things up front. That way you'll know what your channel is going to be based on. Your audience will know what your channel is going to be based on. And it can kind of help you, come up with ideas of what videos to post next. Now, if you're planning on having a beauty channel, just for example, I would suggest, a little cute beauty banner with your name, your picture, maybe some cute little, designs or something around it, and then a good, clear profile picture of yourself. That is something else that you definitely want to invest time in. I know you may think that that's something so simple and petty, but I definitely guarantee you it is important. You wouldn't imagine how many people just look at your picture and say, no, next. So it is very important to have a good quality, nice, clear picture of yourself for your channel. That way, people will say, hey, let me see what they're talking about. That itself can get you so many clicks just within itself, okay? Next thing I would definitely advise anyone starting out and trying to grow fast, go ahead and get you a notebook or a binder or something that you can keep notes in. It's definitely a good idea to go ahead and just jot down video ideas. Anytime that you can think of one, go ahead and jot it down. If you're anything like me, you'll see something and then 5 minutes later, forget it. So yeah, definitely have a journal or some kind of notebook where you can jot things down quickly anytime you see a new video idea, or also to help set up an agenda for your posting schedule for the week. So definitely invest in a notebook, guys. Next tip that I have is to actually promote your channel. Okay, promote your channel. I know that may seem very simple and basic, but guys, promote your channel. It is so important to get your video out there. You have to remember, you're new, you're brand new, starting out, no one knows you. So it's up to you to promote your video on whatever platform that you already have. So say for instance, you have an Instagram that with followers, or Twitter with followers, or Facebook, whatever platform you have, promote your video any chance you get. Also, family and friends, send your videos to family and friends, have them like, comment, share, subscribe, have them promoted on their pages as well. And your true supporters will come, y'all. I promise you, your true supporters will come. But you have to start from somewhere. So therefore, that's why I say use whatever platform you have and promote. Something else that helped me gain 100 subscribers in a week fast was joining groups, you guys. Joining small YouTuber groups. Oh my goodness, that helps out so much. Oh my goodness, when you pair up with other people that are in the same boat with you, that are trying to genuinely grow their channel and ready to support each other, that helps the process so much. It lets you know that you're not in this by yourself, you know what I mean? And and at that same time, you build a relationship and even friendship with a lot of these people. And you guys, the smallest gesture can go so long, okay? And when I say that, what I mean when I say that is, say for instance, you see another small YouTuber and they don't have that many views, they don't have that many subscribers, but you go to their channel and you like their video and just leave a small comment, and it doesn't have to be anything, you know, dramatic. You can say, hey, love the way you edited this video, new subby here. You know, something really, really simple, and something that small will stick with that person. And every time that they see your name, they'll make sure to click on your video, they'll like it, they'll comment it. You know, people remember things like that you do for them. They remember stuff like that. And it also could start the beginning of, you know, a support system that you have with each other. So definitely look into any small YouTube groups, or, you know, support groups on whatever platform that you're on. I know Facebook has several, Instagram has some as well. I'm in several groups, and that helps as well. So look into groups, you guys, definitely. Now, another tip that I have, and I know it is shunned upon, okay, but sub for sub. Okay, listen, I know you heard sub for sub and you like, sis, but listen though, it's not what you do, it's how you do it, okay? You don't have to just bluntly say, hey, let's go sub for sub. Hey, sub to me, I'll sub to you. No. Don't do it that way. Because that is frowned upon per YouTube. So don't do it that way, especially on the YouTube platform. Do not sub for sub on the YouTube platform. Got that? Okay. But the way that I do it, I don't really do it as sub for sub. I do it more as support for support. So if you see someone that's in the same, you know, kind of category as you, say for instance, if I do makeup videos and I look at another girl's video and she's doing makeup and I'm like, oh my God, you're so pretty. I love the way you did your eyebrows. My name's Naturally Tilly. I have a channel as well. You know, you should check me out. I don't really feel like that's sub for sub. I feel like that's the beginning of a support friendship or a support relationship through YouTube. That's what I feel. So yeah, I would say do it kind of more like that instead of, hey, just bluntly, hey, sub for sub. You know, don't do it that way, you guys. Do it more as a support system, like a teamwork type of thing. Don't just go in it, hey, sub to me, sub to you. Sub me, I sub to you, because that is frowned upon. And something can actually happen to you or your channel with YouTube if you're doing that on YouTube. So don't do that, you guys. I think you can get like a claim or a strike or something. So definitely don't do that on the YouTube platform. If you do want to make a comment on someone's channel or their video, you know, do it in the way kind of how I just explained. Don't just go under there saying sub for sub. Make it like a support relationship that you're trying to build. This tip is actually kind of crazy that I even have to say it, but you know, it is what it is. A lot of people want you to sub to their channel, and since you ain't got no videos up, you ain't got no videos up. What I'm subbing to? You know, what am I subbing to? The beginning of your thoughts? Like, what am I subbing to? So yeah, definitely if you're gonna go out and promote your channel, have videos up, you guys. Yeah, because if I come to your channel, I'm gonna want to watch something. I don't want to just click and subscribe to you based on your name. I don't know you, sis. So at least have some videos up that I can look at and be like, oh, okay, this is cool. This is something I probably want to watch again, or you know, this kind of content is something that I would want to watch again, and then I'll subscribe. But have something up for your girl. I mean, have something. Okay, have something, and start with what you have. If you just have a phone, don't have a camcorder, that's fine. I'm actually recording right now on my phone, which is a Galaxy. Like every video that's on my page was done with my Galaxy phone. So you have to start somewhere, okay? You can record a little something, even if it's just an introductory of yourself and what your channel is going to be about. Something, okay? Something for the subscribers to see and you know, and get us intrigued to want to continue to follow you. Have something up on your page, y'all. So, help me. Next tip I have is clear thumbnails. Clear thumbnails, you guys, okay? It may seem like that's kind of petty, but it really does make a difference, y'all, and I'm going to tell you how. Think about when you stroll YouTube and you see a video that intrigues you and you want to watch it. Normally it's something that's just blunt, straight to the point, right? When your thumbnail gets too junky and has too much going on, it can confuse the viewer, and then they're like, no, I'm gonna keep strolling. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna keep strolling. So make sure to have a thumbnail that is intriguing and blunt and straight to the point. Big bold letters and just a background picture of whatever that video is going to consist of. Something that's going to just get straight to the point and hit the viewer and say, hey, look at me, watch me, click this. Clear thumbnails, you guys. So important. Another tip I have for you guys are end screens. End screens are so important. I actually didn't realize how important end screens were until I actually went back and added them to my videos, and I see a huge difference when it comes to views. No lie. What an end screen is pretty much just a suggestion of the next video for the viewer to watch as your video comes towards the end. So once that video pops up as a suggestion, you know, the subscriber may be like, let me see what else I got. Okay, let me see what this video is talking about. You know, it's more of a chance of a person clicking another one of your videos and just really, you know, just indulging in your channel and even binging on your channel. Like it's very possible for people to just binge on your channel just based on that end screen video that you have that just keeps them going. And hey, and guys, also think about how many people that go to a channel and watch a person and just leave the channel running. And if you have end screens on all of your videos, it's going to be your channel that's going to continue to play in the background. You know, you have to think of it in terms of that. And I wasn't at first. At first, I didn't have any end screens on my videos. I was just posting them and just letting them do what they do. But slowly I learned that's not the way you do things, sis. Go ahead and add some end screens. Go ahead and add some videos at that end, some suggested videos. You will see a difference in your views, promise. Another tip I have is to make sure that your videos have clear titles. Just straight to the point titles. You don't want to junk up the title too much with too many words. That way your video will get lost in the sauce and, you know, no one will ever find your video because you just have too many words. So make sure to use keywords when doing your videos. If it's having something to do, for instance, with cooking, make sure you have cooking in the title and try not to junk it up with too many other words. Just make sure to focus on cooking. And I hope that makes sense. If not, there is an app called TubeBuddy that you can use. It's wonderful for suggesting tags and titles and things of that nature for your videos. So definitely look into TubeBuddy if you don't have that. That'll help with those suggested names and titles. Alright guys, that concludes my tips for this video today. If you do all of these things, I promise you, you will have 100 subs within a week or even sooner, you guys. I mean, you just can't mess up with these steps, okay? It is guaranteed to get you 100 subscribers at least within a week, at least. The number one thing you have to do is stay consistent. Stay consistent. I really can't even say that enough. You have to stay consistent. You can't just put something out there and just don't promote it, don't talk about it, don't share it, and just think it's going to do what it do. No, you have to promote yourself. You have to remember, you're new. No one knows you. So you have to put yourself out there in everyone's face. Like, look at me. I'm next. I'm here. She's here to stay. I hope this video helped you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Tilly gang. Go ahead and comment some suggestions on the next videos you would like to see from me in the future. And until next time, we out, y'all.